Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you our mini compressors. The compressor is the rotor inverter compressor type. As you can see, the compressor size is much smaller than a Pepsi Cola. Do you wonder how high it is exactly? Let's measure it. Here you can see the height is only 10 centimeters and the weight is about 800 grams. Here, this is the whole set. This is the compressor. This is to control the compressor. And here is the cable wire. This is the control board. It is to control the compressor. It is fully developed by our company Coolingstyle, and you can see our logo here. Regardless of its small size, the cooling capacity is about 500 volts. It has the advantages of small size, lightweight, intelligent frequency conversion control, high energy efficiency ratio. We have developed a series portable and compact size cooling system by using this compressor, such as the small industrial chillers, portable air conditioners, personal cooling systems, and so on. Also, we have a strong research and development team to support you if you have your own ideas and want to have a customizable solution. You can visit our website www.coolingstyle.com for more information.